Okay, rice cake machine SYP9502. 9502. Titanium Coated Mold and switch box of position. And later we will put the alarm device and safety cover on it for Canada. Very nice. Okay. 되게 잘 나온다. Very nice. Okay, this is a switch box, and this is present temperature, and this is a set temperature. You can set the pressure by these buttons. Set first, and up and down, and left and right. And full switch is the heater on and off, and pump is a motor switch. Operation is automatic operation, start and off. And manually you can move the mold up and down by this switch. And 3 dial controllers here, and first one is the speed. It's a 4.7, thickness 40, thickness 60, and depth of core is 3.3 as the first setting. And pressure. Around 140 50 and the black color number. After check, set the pressure gauge, you had better close it to use longer. This is emergency button, so when something happens, just to push it, the machine stops. And turn the arrow way and pull up, they start again after off the machine. Okay. And this is 이거 큰 실린더죠. This is the bigger cylinder than standard one for the 95 diameter snack. And below the cylinder is a pressure support valve to keep the stable pressure for long use. The 3 solenoid valve here to provide electric signal to the machine. The light is good as per the mold movement. Okay. And 3-phase motor and pump. Oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice 50-50% mix. Around the cake. And feeding plate. Feeding plate go forward is a pressure sensor to come off, and feeding plate come back to the back to the fully. It's come on again. Go forward, it come off. And come back to the end, it come on again. Otherwise, you cannot go to the next step. There's 2 springs. Is the feeding plate bring back, and drive motor and gear head. The feeding plate go forward. The oil control valve is automatic one, check valve, a relief valve. The relief valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench and turn clockwise, increase pressure. Unclockwise, decrease pressure. And the pressing is hard to move. After pressing, you can adjust very easily. Motor and oil tank. Control box here. This is inverter. It's a 60 hertz on it. Reset button on that. And SSR is keep the roll to make a stable temperature. And breaker and contactor. That's a relay connection of the electricity. PCB. PCB is a brain of this machine. Oil tank. Inside oil tank, high dollar oil 20 liters inside. 조금 더.